A new era for government employees, unveiling the 8th Pay Commission. Breaking news, a game-changer for over 1 crore government servants and pensioners. The 8th Central Pay Commission, 8th CPC, is set to revolutionize the compensation landscape for central government employees and pensioners. This commission, led by the esteemed Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai, is a beacon of hope for those preparing for government jobs and a source of anticipation for current employees. But here's where it gets controversial. The 8th CPC's recommendations will not only impact central government staff but also ripple through PSUs and state governments. This means a potential shakeup for entry-level salaries, allowances, and retirement benefits. Aspirants, take note, your future earnings could be about to skyrocket. The 8th Pay Commission is expected to submit its recommendations by March 2027, with a potential implementation date of January 1, 2026. This is great news for those joining service in 2026, as they will directly benefit from the revised pay matrix. And this is the part most people miss. The 8th CPC follows a legacy of commissions, each formed roughly every 10 years. The 7th CPC was implemented in 2016, so the 8th CPC is a highly anticipated development. How to navigate the 8th Pay Commission Salary Calculator. The 8th Pay Commission Salary Calculator is a powerful tool to estimate your future earnings. While the official calculator is not yet available, you can use existing 7th CPC tools with updated fitment factors to get a rough idea. Here's a breakdown of the projected minimum basic pay for different levels, based on the current 7th CPC minimum basic pay and 2 potential fitment factors, 1.83 and 2.86. Pay matrix level: current 7th CPC minimum basic pay, Indian rupee, projected 8th CPC minimum basic pay, Indian rupee, lower range, fitment, 1.83, projected 8th CPC minimum basic pay, Indian rupee, higher range, fitment, 2.86. Level 1: 18,000, 32,940, 51,480. Level 4: 25,000, 500, 46,665, 72,930. Level 7: 44,900, 82,207, 128,414. Level 10, Entry-Level Group A, 56,100, 102,423, 160,446. Level 12: 78,800, 144,144, 225,368. Level 14: 144,200, 263,886, 412,412. Level 18, Cabinet Secretary, 250,000, fixed, 457,500, fixed, 715,000, fixed. Please note that these calculations are for educational purposes only, and the final pay structure and exact amounts will be officially released by the Government of India. Aspirants and current employees, what are your thoughts on the 8th Pay Commission? Are you excited about the potential salary hikes and improved benefits? Or do you have concerns about the impact on the overall economy? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a discussion.